Welcome to ICAM, a spiritual journey towards oneness. In this video, we will see the meaning of chapter number 1, sloka number 31. Nimittani cha pashyami viparitani keshava na cha shreyo nu pashyami hatva swajanamahave. Arjuna is telling, "Oh Krishna, I can see only the misfortune ahead. I do not see how any good can come from killing my kith and kins in the battle. Na kangshe vijayam Krishna, na cha rajyam sukhani cha, kinno rajyena govinda, kim bhogair jivitena va." I have no desire for victory, a kingdom, or happiness in these things. So I can't see any profit while fighting among themselves. That's what he is telling. येषामर्थे काङ्क्षितन्नः राज्यं भोगा सुखानि च तयिमेव स्थिता युद्धे प्राणां त्यक्त्वा धनानि च. Go, Govinda, of what use is the kingdom and happiness when those with whom we may enjoy these are now arrayed in the battlefield to fight against each other? आचार्याः पितरः पुत्राः तथैव च पितामहाः मातुलाश्वशुराः पौत्राः श्यालासम्बन्धिनस्तथा. When teachers, fathers, sons, grandfathers, maternal uncle, father-in-law, and other brethren are standing here and ready to fight against each other, येतानहन्तुमिच्छामि घ्नतोऽपि मधुसूदन अपि त्रैलोक्यराज्यस्य हेतोः किन्नु महीकृते. Risking their lives, I have no desire to kill even those bent on killing me. Now, even in the exchange of the three loka, three worlds, much less an earthly kingdom. Nihatya dhartarashtrannah ka priti syanjanardana papamevashraye dasman hatvaitanatayinah. O Krishna, I am not ready to fight with the sons of Dhritarashtra. O Madhava, we will only incur sins by killing these aggressors. Tasmannarha vayam hantum dhartarashtraन् swabandhavan swajanam hi katham hatva sukhina syama madhava. It is not right for us to kill the sons of Dhritarashtra and our friends. How can one be happy after destroying one's own family? Yadyapyetena pashyanti lobhopahata chetasah kulakshayakritan dosham mitradrohe cha patakam. Oh Janardana, although others gathered here, overtaken by greed, see no fault in destroying their own friends and family. Because they are in greed, so they will not have any mercy at all. Kathananyeyamasmabhihi papadasmannivartitum kulakshayakritan dosham prapashyadbhirjanardana. Why should we, aware of the crime of killing one's kinsman, fight this battle? There is no need to fight among themselves. Kulakshaye pranashyanti kuladharma sanatanaah dharme nashte kulam kritsnam adharmobhi With the destruction of the dynasty, family tradition gets destroyed and the remaining family gets involved in irreligion. Adharmabhibhavat Krishna pradushyanti kulastriyah strishu dushtashu varshneya jayate varna sankarah. O Krishna, when irreligion arises, women get polluted and the corruption of women produces unwanted, unworthy children. शङ्करो नरकायैव कुलघ्नानाङ्कुलस्य च पतन्ति पितरो ह्येषां लुप्तपिण्डोदकक्रियाः. An increasing in unworthy population condemns the dynasty to hellish life, where even the ancestors are doomed when they are no more offered rice and water. दोषैरेतैः कुलघ्नानां वर्णसङ्करकारकैः उत्साद्यन्ते जातिधर्माः कुलधर्माश्च शाश्वताः. Such evil deeds of destroying family traditions and giving rise to unwanted children destroys all community projects and family activities. उत्सन्नकुलधर्माणां मनुष्याणां जनार्दन नरके नियतौ वासः भवतीत्यनुशुश्रुम. O Krishna, I have heard from reliable sources that those who destroy family traditions and values are condemned to a hellish life. Aho Bhatamahat Papam Kartuvyavasita Vayam Yadrachya Sukhalobhena Hantum Swajanamudyatah. Alas, what has happened that we are willing to commit such sins as killing our own family out of greed of material pleasure? Yadi mama प्रतीकारम् अशस्त्रं शस्त्रपाणयः धार्तराष्ट्रारणे हन्युः तन्मे क्षेमतरं भवेत्. I would prefer it if the sons of Dhritarashtra, weapons in hand, and kill me unarmed and unresisting in the battle. Sanjaya Uvacha एवमुक्त्वार्जुनः सङ्ख्ये रथोपस्थ उपाविशत् विसृज्य सशरञ्ज चापं शोकसौविघ्नमानसः. Thus, after hearing all the explanation and sorrowful feeling about Arjuna, now Sanjaya is telling all this to Dhritarashtra. Having spoken thus, Arjuna cast aside his bow and arrows and sat down on his chariot, his heart overcome with very much grief. Om Tatsaditi Srimad-Bhagavad-Gitasu Upanishatsu Brahma-Vidyaya Yoga-Shastre Shri Krishna-Arjuna Sauvade Arjuna Vishada Yogo Nama Prathamodhyayah. So in this chapter, we learned all in the confusion state. Arjuna was in a confusion mood whether I have to fight or not. And Duryodhana was in a confusion mood that he will have victory or not. So all the confusion and analysis of each one's army was explained in chapter number 1. We will see another the same with the meaning of chapter number 2 soon. Stay tuned. We will meet again. Thank you, everyone.